Hello and welcome to my video once again. This is Career Tech Explorer. My name is Maxwell. And in my last video I discussed how you can use Excel applying the pivot table function, or if you like to call it method, to quickly analyze your data, your qualitative data, generate counts, create frequency, create percentages, and you can also do some other things. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to do that once again using another set of data. I went out to administer a questionnaire that has only one question, and then it's an open-ended question, and the respondents were asked what are their suggestions for improving the quality of education in Nigeria, and nearly 300 of them supplied their individual responses. These were collected, cleaned, and coded appropriately, and I'm going to be showing that to you in a few seconds. So please sit back and enjoy this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button. You can also help me further by sharing this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you on the inside. So let's go on. So guys, as I told you, there are at least let me check that exactly. There are 290 responses to the question that I showed you previously on people's opinion on how to improve the quality of education in Nigeria. Now, upon surveying the data, going through reading one by one, let me say we arrive at these 5 themes where we have access to education. Let me just code that as an code so that we could. So access to education, that we would like to code AE, and community involvement, let's code that one CI. Curriculum enhancement, that should be CE. Infrastructure development, that should be ID. And teacher training and support, TTS. Now these are the 5 themes that were identified in this data. Now each of them were read through by the team of researchers, and as I mentioned earlier, we arrived at the following these 5 themes. Now each question was read and the appropriate theme was assigned to it. For instance, implement free and compulsory education. This will give room for more access to education. That we can now call that as AE. And if you take a look at this, case number 12, it says offer continuous professional development. So this is what you will do for the teachers handling the students, and that is a teacher training and support activity. So that is coded TTS, and this is what was done for each of the questions all the way to the very last one, the 290th one, which for instance in this case say introduce inquiry-based learning approaches. This has to do with curriculum enhancement. Take a look at this case number 285. It says incorporate health and wellness education. It has to do with curriculum. So these are the things that were done to all of the responses provided by the 290 respondents that we have in this case. Now, to analyze this data, pretty much very simple. highlight the entire column, including column name, and then this icon will pop up just by this corner. Hit on it, it reveal a sub-menu, select tables, and then also select pivot tables. As soon as you do that, you will see that we already have a mini table here created for us, and it tells us that access to education, there were 25 respondents that indicated that as their own suggestion. Curriculum enhancement has 45 inputs. CI, let me check again what is CI. CI is community involvement. That gives us 72 entries, and the infrastructural development gives us 88, and as well as something that has to do with teacher training and support. That's 206, giving us a total of 290 responses. So we can just now create percentages column as we did in a previous example. So let me call this percentage. Okay, this is right. Okay, percentages. So this forms percentages. Can now expand a particular column, and add a little bit of coloration to it. Then I will calculate percentages as we did by saying equal to this column, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's in B4. Okay, B4 divided by 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B9, right? B9. However, we're going to tie that column down to B9. We don't want it to move for all of the cases. Then we hit this and arrive at this. Next is to select the percentage sign and give maybe 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places gives us this. And we can drag and we have our percentages, meaning that 30.34% of the respondents selected infrastructural development as what could be done to enhance education and improve the quality of education in Nigeria. So that said, we could also plot a chart, generate a chart. Okay, we can produce a chart by also highlighting this column and clicking on this icon as we did earlier, coming over here, charts. Now, let's say we take a look at this. And, we have number 1 is, see, maybe let us change these charts and see if we can get one that will include the names. Oh, alright, I'll see what we need to do. So what we need to do to have names, let's copy out this. Let's copy this out. Let's put it here. Also copy these. Paste them here. Let's see what happens. These copied. Now I'm going to paste them here. paste them. Nice. Then you can now select all of this. Let's see how it goes. And then pictures. Okay. Now their names are clearly showing. I move this around a little bit, and as you can see, you are able to visualize the output that we got. Maybe we should use this if it is more visually appealing. And then we can even go ahead and change the colors. Okay, maybe we should use this place to change the colors. Let's see. Okay, alright, so this is color. We have it as that. So fine, this is how you can do a simple analysis and also do visualizations for your qualitative data and obtain results in the way and manner that you want. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you like this content, hit on the subscribe button and let me know in the comment section what areas you need me to generate content from and what improvements you would like to see in this content. Thank you very much. Bye.